how to fix cannot change App Store country region. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the issue like can't change App Store country region on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on your Apple account. Alright, so after you tap on Apple account, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to go the option media and purchases. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from your tap on view account. Alright, so now from this section, you'll have to go the options like country or region. So from here, you can easily change your country region on App Store. So if you are not finding the option on your iPhone, you'll have to just check the whether your any active subscription like Apple Music, iCloud or etc. You'll have to just cancel that active subscription on your iPhone before you are switching to a next region. So from there, you'll have to just cancel the activation, and from there you will have to spend your Apple ID balance if there is any. So on the another hand, you will have to just set a valid payment method for the new region. So you have to set a valid payment method. So for that, you'll have to just go down and go the options wallet and Apple Pay. Okay, so from here you'll have to just go the options like payment card. So from here we can set a valid payment method to change the region on iPhone. So if you are not still finding the option on your Apple Pay, you can try by creating a new Apple ID on your iPhone. So simply for that, you'll have to just tap on the option your Apple account. Alright, so simply from here scroll down at the bottom and go the option sign out, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just confirm with your Apple ID and password. So after you sign out, you'll have to just create a new Apple ID, and from there you can easily set your region or you can change your region on App Store. So in this way you can solve it, or if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just contact the Apple support team, and from there you might be solve that problem. So these are the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.